Um, in my last Facebook post, I made a promise to start up a video tutorial series on VBA programming. This was to help people acquire skills that can help them, you know, gain some financial freedom in the year 2024. We understand that the situation of things are so bad currently. The world is into the kind of inflection that has not been experienced in the recent years. It wasn't. It's not only in Nigeria but all over the world. People are losing their jobs. Companies are winding down, and there is a lot of hunger. So, but there are some people who remain unshakable. These are people who have some high demand skills, which is the reason why I'm willing to train people on the VBA programming uh, skills so that everybody, can at some extent become financially free. So if you are one of those who are hungry and you're interested on how to change your financial situation using the works of your hand, believe you're in the right place, and I will encourage you to stick to the end of this video. So I just want you to imagine having a skill that can make your work faster, solve business problems, and bring extra cash from clients around the world to you. That is what VBA can do for you. That is what learning VBA programming can make you become. VBA, or Visual Basic for Application, is a powerful tool in Microsoft Office that can automate taxes, can automate anything automatable, making you a valuable asset to your company and to even yourself. With VBA, you can cut down hours of work into minutes. You can create custom solutions and even sell your skills online to top dollars. Learning VBA is your ticket to financial freedom in 2024. It's not only a ticket to financial freedom, but it's also a ticket to career growth. So, by the way, my name is Uche Ajonma. I'm a mechanical design engineer with over 5 years of experience in Canada. I've worked in different industries. So, in my job, I saw a lot of repetitive tasks, some boring things. Maybe because I'm lazy. So, I decided to look for ways to make these things very easy for myself. So, I learned PPA to automate these boring things. This was able to cut down my work time from 20 hours to 1 hour. One of the solutions that I provided for my one of my companies was able to cut down my hour of work from 40 hours to 1 hour. My company was blown away, and they asked me to automate all the manual processes. While I was doing this, and exploring insights from online, I found that many people online were also looking for similar tools. So I started solving their problems and offering my solutions. This brought many clients to me with good money. Even from Nigeria, I got some clients who are also paying me in dollars. One thing you should know is that today business is super competitive, and therefore the fastest finger is winning. For this reason, businesses need to automate their taxes and to be more efficient. VBA being a powerful programming language in Microsoft Office, which is available in for everyone. Microsoft Office is really available for everyone. So it becomes the key, the solutions to all these problems, automation problems and efficiency problems. But I know that when I'm talking about programming, a lot of people's head will start spinning. People will start asking questions. Oh, I don't know how to use computer, so how can I know how to program? Calm down. Uh, I I have made this tutorial for ground zero. You don't need to have any previous programming skill. You don't even need to have any computer knowledge to start. All you need to do is to be patient and follow me while I walk you through this. We can start from, some basic recording some simple macros, and then gradually we advance to, advanced automation. We can do anything, can even sit down and trigger your cooker, the gas cooker from anywhere. So in my next video, I'll start by walking you through VBA macro recording, walk you through the VBA editor, basic VBA editor for you to understand, the work, the workspace, the VBA workspace, the interface, and from there we continue to go gradually, improve and get to advanced level of this. As you get better, you will learn to automate reports, create user forms, and connect VBA to other applications like Instagram, Facebook, uh, Outlook, Access, whatever tool that you're using. You learn how to, make do those things that you usually do in in your in your applications automatically without having to manually interfere. So, but you have to keep learning. You have to keep learning because the tech world is fast evolving. So you need to also evolve as it evolves. If you don't change, the tech world is going to leave you, and the skills you think you know today become super irrelevant just in few few years. So, like I said before, businesses, involve in some boring, repetitive, time-consuming things. So you come in as a superhero if you have learned a VBA, because even why people are doing this, that's the reason why companies are hiring people, because they want people to come do those boring stuff for them. If you can learn to program VBA, you can do the work of 10 people all by yourself, right? And receive the money for all these 10 people just by yourself, because that is what that's the solution you're providing. So you can start from the banks around you, financial institutions, learn to automate their financial reports. Start, look around some companies who have large data sets and learn to clean up their data sets. You can create some custom project management to solve problems. While doing all these things, you find yourself becoming a very valuable asset. You can develop VBA tools like add-ins, solve common problems, and you can market all these things on your website. You can market them on some already existing online marketplaces like Jumia, Konga, LinkedIn, wherever. You'll be surprised how many people who are willing to pay for the solutions that you're providing. How many people who are willing to, make life easier for them, and you're the one who is providing the solutions. So many businesses are looking for freelance VBA programmers. So I'll encourage you, if you have not heard about this, while we are going through this, I'll also show you how to do that, to register to online freelance uh, um, websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. You can start attending conferences, you can start attending business meetups, connecting with people. It's all about showing yourself, because if you don't show yourself, if you don't let people know what you're doing, nobody is going to see it. If you're not showing people the work that you're doing, nobody is going to see it. So you have to project your work, and people are going to see it, and they start paying you for it. So VBA is super powerful. But again, you need to utilize every available resources to keep yourself relevant. Join VBA communities, participate in forums, and connect with other professionals. You get insight to learn new tricks, and maybe you can partner on big projects. After all, the first money that I made as a VBA programmer was on the VBA forum, where I was able to provide an answer to a question that someone asked. I didn't charge for it, but the person came back, through email and requested for my bank account and deposited some good amount of money for me. So you can see becoming rich as a VBA programmer in 2024 is super possible. All you need to do is to master the basic, find high value problems, and develop custom solutions for all these problems. After all, the secret of becoming rich is finding problems and providing solutions to the problems. You can offer freelance services, you can provide training, build a strong portfolio, and network. The world needs automation, and VBA is your key. So I will encourage you to stick to my page to keep learning. Just keep watch out for the next videos, where we will start from ground zero, and I will hold you by the hands and walk you all to the advanced level of programming using VBA. And at the end of the day, the bank is going to smile. And that is when you're able to attend that, that is going to be a great success story for myself. So I encourage you to keep watching, and like, comment, subscribe to my channel so that each time I drop a video, you'll be among the first persons to see it. Please don't forget to share so that others can see it, because we are all for one, one for all. Thank you so much for sticking to the end of this video, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.